New project update. A long time clock has died again. Here's the issue with the rewinding. The cord gets tangled up in the back pulley, and then this goes all the way until it stops, triggers the stop switch, and so it's stuck. I've been fixing it too many times. I'm tired of it. I'm going to retire. There's too many issues happening again and again and again. Made a new escapement and a new rewinding system. It's pretty exciting. This is the Grasshopper escapement from Harrison. John Harrison design. It has different version. It's working. It still needs a more rigid frame. I want to see if it can run a long time if I don't have the dust problem that I have with the other ones. And then I still need to put switches. It's a planetary gear for the rewinding, so it can rewind while the clock is running. See the weight going up. And then the planetary. You can see the planetary inside there. I don't have the switch yet, so I'm going to unplug it. And then I'm rebuilding this one. That was my very first clock that I put a video on YouTube. That's all the parts. Hasn't been put together quite yet, but it's modular, and then you can kind of make it the way you want. It's like this, like this, this. People who like to play can play. And it's all the same gears. This one, this one, this one, clock one. The distance here is the same, so it's can play with different escapement. And then once this one is working, that's also something that can come on this. Okay, so that's it for now. Till next time. Thank you for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe. Bye. Have a good week.